Today we're evaluating this cordless snow shovel. It has louvers to direct the snow, 40 volts of power, 2 batteries, and it's pretty impressive. As you can see, it's snowing like the dickens out here. I'll go into all the details, the assembly, and what I think of it on 4 different surfaces. So let's get started. This is how it comes in the box. Very well packed. Here's the batteries and the charger. And then here is the snow shovel. We'll put this together and get ready to test it. Assembly is straightforward. Got some notches, line it up, press it in, twist it down below. Do the same thing up here. It's not permanent. In other words, when you're done using the snow shovel, you can just go back and disassemble it. In our case, we're at a relative's house visiting, so we're going to put it back in the car. If you're in a snowy area, this might be a great emergency shovel to have at the ready to get yourself unburied out of a bad situation. Not really thought about it till now. Handle here that you can do some adjustment on. One of the things I like about this, you have a louver that can direct the snow forward to 30 degrees, to the left, 30 degrees in the opposite direction. So that's a real plus. You also get a replacement scraper. So I guess these wear out over time. And then the batteries, you get 2 of those. They have an indicator that tells you what the charge status is. It's lightweight, a solid design. I got this product in exchange for an honest review. All I do is honest reviews. So even though a product is provided to me, I'm not going to say things just to fluff up the product. The product's got to be solid. I've had a lot of opportunities to evaluate products like these, and this cordless snow shovel seemed to be one of the best ones to test. And that's what we're going to do today. We're going to use it in 4 situations: on a composite deck, on a concrete porch, on a blacktop driveway, and a cobblestone sidewalk leading to the driveway. So we're going to really put this thing to the test and see how it does. It's blowing outside, chill factor around 20 degrees. These are the perfect conditions to test this out. This is wet, heavy, heart attack snow, and it's about 6 inches deep. This is really heavy, perfect snowman snow. On this kind of thick snow, you probably got to shave it like you saw me doing here. The shaving approach seems to work the best in these kind of conditions. So let's take it out where the snow is a little lighter on the blacktop driveway, cobblestone sidewalk, and the concrete porch and see how we do. So we're in the front driveway. The folks who own the house have a snow removal company that comes in and does the driveway forms. We have the 2-3 inches here. We'll give it a shot and see how it does. Much better at doing what you want it to do. Here's some snow I just walked on, so I packed it down and it's eating right through it. Two to 3 inches of snow, it's a champ. Whether you've stepped on the snow, so it scrapes it right down, and as you can see, it's snowing pretty bad. We're gonna have plenty of opportunity to use this. And we have the big boys taking care of the street for us. This situation is a concrete front porch. The snow is somewhere between 2 and 4 inches. The snow is really piling up here. It can do 6+ inches, but you really need to kind of start it off at the top. Go down about 4 inches and then go down to its sweet spot. And then shave off the sides.
And to me, this is the worst case because it's cobblestone and it's an irregular surface. And it's still doing pretty darn good. This is a pretty amazing piece of tech. I'm really surprised how well it does in this wet snow. Let's check the battery. 33% remaining. We've done this whole area, the porch, half the deck house in the back, and played around in here. And the battery's still going. Not bad. I could probably do this driveway easily with one battery. It works great on all surfaces, decks, blacktop, concrete. I was really surprised about the cobblestone. 32 degrees, strong wind, chill factor of 20, and it's not slowing down at all. Directs the snow away from where you're working 10 to 15 feet, which is amazing. I'm really happy with this. 13 inches, and the honest review is excellent. I like the scraper. You have a replacement scraper, so that's good too. If you're looking for something like this, I strongly recommend it. 5 stars. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of gear reviews, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, home repairs, foul weather testing, check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what evaluation and conditions you're gonna see.